Hey everyone, Kevin Schumacher here with the Kevin Schumacher Team at eXp Realty. Wanted to bring to you this month some market trends and give you sort of an update snapshot of what the market's looking like, what the numbers are looking like. But one of the key things I really want to point out to you when you look at data, because that's really what we do when we're pricing homes and when we're trying to really see what the pulse of the market is we look at sold data, and but a lot of that data, a lot of us get from the news. They get from, whether there's the nightly news, the newspaper, whatever else. And when you look at the sold data and you think about it this way, if a home would close today, typically it would be in escrow for 30 to 45 days. So rewind back 30 to 45 days, and then it was probably on the market a couple of weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months. So you rewind that back. And then you think about pricing the home. When did they meet with the agent? When did they price the home? And then how long did it take to get the home up and going? That essentially could be 90 days worth of data from when the home was originally priced and when the agent and the homeowner sat down and really put the strategy together to when it went under contract to when the home actually sold. So we really want to always keep our thumb on the pulse of the market. So I always tell our clients that the sold data is really the foundational piece that really gives us the idea of what it's going to appraise for. What's that foundational bottom number? Then what we look at is we look at, again, active comps. What's out there? What's your competition? But just because you say your neighbor sells their home or lists their home for $1 million doesn't mean your home's worth $1 million. They could, maybe they're overpriced. So we want to look at that data, but we want to also, most importantly, see what are the under contracts? What are people writing checks for today? What are those values? So anyway, just a couple of quick tidbits to keep in mind when we're looking at data. So I want to share with you some actual real live numbers of where we're at now here in the Front Range. So when we look at Larimer County, currently there's 1,176 homes currently on the market. Looking back at August last month, 540 homes actually sold. And so that number is actually up 8.65% compared to the solds in July. Average days on the market, 69 days. Average sales price for the month of August, $422,250. 2.3 months inventory, meaning that if not one other home hit the market in the next 2.3 months, they'd be out of inventory. That inventory is actually up 9.52%, which is rather common in the summer months. You have the influx of new construction. Also, everyone's pushing hard to get their home on the market and hopefully get it under contract and get situated before the snowfall starts falling here in late October and November. Looking at Weld County, 975 homes currently on the market. 501 homes actually sold last month, in the month of August, in Weld County. That number is actually down 6% compared to July. 65 days, average days on the market. Again, always remember that sometimes new construction, longer lag time as far as completion, so sometimes that will dilute the numbers as far as the average days on the market. Average sales price for Weld County, $363,500. Currently 1.8 months of inventory, so very low, one of the lower ones in the Front Range. And that number is actually up 11% from the month of July. Boulder County, looking 796 homes currently active on the market in Boulder County, with 321 homes selling in the month of August. That number is actually down 3% compared to July. 57 days, average days on the market. Average sales price, $585,000 for Boulder County. And months of inventory, 2.5 months current inventory, which is pretty consistent for the last couple of months there in Boulder County. Denver metro area, 4,167 homes currently on the market in Denver Metro, 2,747 homes that closed and sold in the month of August, and that is actually up about 0.25% over what July's numbers are. Average days on the market, 29.5 days on the market. Average sales price, $448,175, actually down a little bit compared to last month. And the months of inventory, 1.75 months inventory, down almost 3% compared to the month of July. So just sort of a quick snapshot of what the market's doing as we finish out quickly third quarter, getting ready to go into fourth quarter. A lot of sellers are out there in a little bit of a rush to try to beat the winter, so they want to go ahead and get their home on the market. We still have, as I shared with you, all of the low inventory. So keep in mind, low inventory means that we still have a larger pool of buyers, a smaller pool of sellers. So if you want to get your home sold and maximize your equity position, now is a really good time to do so between now and all the way going into the end of the year. Interest rates are really low as well. A lot of people wanting to take advantage of that as well. A lot of move-up buyers in the market. Those people that are envisioning that they want to sell within the next couple of years, now is probably your best time to sell. Historically, doing things during election year there's a little volatility there because who knows what's going to happen. So a lot of people trying to take advantage of the current market conditions and where we're at. As always, if there's anything we can do to help you out, please let us know. We again appreciate all the referrals and things and business that you send us. We build our business on that, selling several thousand homes here in the Front Range. We continue to grow our relationships, and we truly appreciate that. You can always reach us at Kevin at kevinsellsco.com is the email, Kevin Sells CO website, and 720-230-3030. And we look forward to talking to you soon. Happy to help you out.